Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, we're going to do something very simple, but very powerful. I'm going to show you how to hide your files and folders in Windows 11 and Windows 10 so you can keep your private documents away from unauthorized users. Now, this is not complicated at all, so just relax, follow me step by step, and let's do this together. Right here on my desktop, I have 2 files and 2 folders that I want to keep private. Maybe these are personal documents, maybe project files, whatever it is, I don't want just anyone opening them. So here's what we're going to do. First, I'll select all the files and folders I want to hide. You can hold down the Control key and click each one, or just drag your mouse across them to select everything at once. Once they're selected, I'll right-click on any of the selected items. From the menu that appears, I'll click on Properties. Now pay attention here. In the Properties window, make sure you are on the General tab. That's usually the default tab, so you should already be there. Under the section called Attributes, you'll see a small checkbox labeled Hidden. There it is. All I need to do is check that Hidden box, and then click Apply. Now, Windows may ask you a question. It will ask whether you want to apply the changes to the selected items only or to the selected items, subfolders, and files. If you want everything inside the folders to be hidden too, then choose the second option. But in my case, I'll choose Apply Changes to Selected Items Only, so it only hides the main selected folders without affecting what's inside them. Then I click OK. And just like that, they're gone. Now this is where some people get confused, and they think the files are deleted. No, they are not deleted. They are simply hidden. So the big question is, how do we see them again? Very simple. Open File Explorer. At the top, click on the View option. Then move your mouse to Show, and from there, click on Hidden Items. Immediately, your hidden files and folders will reappear, but you'll notice something different. They look slightly faded. That faded look tells you they are hidden. If you want to hide them again, simply go back to View, Show, and uncheck Hidden Items, and they disappear again. Simple, clean, and very effective. Now let's talk about desktop icons. Sometimes your desktop becomes too crowded. Maybe you want to hide some icons temporarily to make things look neat. You can do the exact same thing. Select the icons you want to hide. Right-click. Click on Properties. Check the Hidden checkbox. Click Apply. Then OK. And just like that, they are hidden as well. So now you know how to quickly hide and unhide files and folders in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Very easy, very practical, and extremely useful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.